H money.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Braiding and I'm back again with another video. Today I'll be showing you guys how I achieved the knotless braids on myself for the very first time. Right now I will be showing you guys how I parted my hair into 3 sections. I do have a part going down the middle, and then I did another part going from ear to ear. Next I will show you guys the hair that I use and also the products. Alright y'all, so the braiding hair that I will be using today is the Spectra pre-stretched hair in the number 1. For my ends, I will be using the Jamaican Roots water wave hair. For my edge control, I will be using the Murphy's Edge wax. And for moisture, to moisturize my hair, I will be using the Kimmy oil. Make sure you do have your combs. I do use a regular comb and a rat tail comb to help me part and keep my part straight. Your clips will be used to separate your hair, and here I'm just showing you how I separate my braiding hair before I get started. Alright, so as y'all can see, I did start braiding my hair already. I wanted to get my technique down before I started filming. So now I'm going to show you guys how I achieve the knotless braid. The first thing I do is part my hair into the section that I want to start with. Now that I have that section parted out, I will go ahead and part this section into a diagonal to give me that triangle effect. Alright, so here you will see me apply edge control to this piece that I did part off. This helps the look more clean. It keeps the hair intact once you start braiding. Alright, so it's now time to start the braid. So what you're going to see me do is section off this smaller piece into 3 sections. Then I'm going to braid down my natural hair about 2 times. Once I braid down my hair the 2 times, I'm going to feed in the braiding hair into my natural hair. And by doing this, I place the braiding hair in between my index finger and my thumb. Then I'm going to braid that down about 1 time, and then I'm going to feed in a second piece of braiding hair, and I'm going to do it in with the same method of feeding it in between my index finger and my thumb. After that, I'm going to continue to braid down my hair until I get to about the middle. I wanted to extend my braids because they weren't long enough for me. The inches wasn't long enough for me, and I wanted my braids long. So I added a 3rd piece once I got down to the middle to extend the braid. Then I kept braiding until I got close to the end. You don't want to braid your hair all the way down because you want to add in the water wave hair. So once you get close to the bottom, you're going to add in the water wave hair. Then you're going to braid that into the braid that you already have. You're going to braid that down about 3 or 4 times. Then you're going to take a small section of the water wave hair and wrap that around the braid. When you're wrapping it around, you're going to wrap it around a couple of times or a few times. This does secure the bottom of the braid and make sure that that curly piece does not fall out. And then I like to put knots at the end of my braid to make sure it's extra secure. So you'll see me do that as well. And that's basically my method of the knotless braid. I'm going to show you guys a few more times So keep watching. Alright, so for the final touches, I use the Smooth and Shine mousse. Using this does allow my braids to have a little shine as well as the extra hold, which will allow your braids to last longer. You will also see me add water to the ends of my hair, just to make the ends a little bit curlier. And I use a spray bottle to do that, and then I just run my fingers through the curls so that it does detangle and it's not sticking together and things like that. Alright y'all, so this is the end of the video. If you would like to see more videos like this, please let me know in the comment section below. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and be sure that your post notification bell is turned on so you are notified when I post to my channel. Follow me on all my social medias, which will be listed down in the description box below. And I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!